Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a Beyonce-inspired soft glam makeup, and for that I will be starting off with my Glam Girls setting powder all over my face. I did apply some primer and some corrector around my cheeks, and I'm just dusting my face with the setting powder because I want my face to be matte. Now next I'll be going in with my Flawless Ivy foundation in Honey, and I'm just applying that with a flat foundation brush, and after that I'll be going over it with a sponge to fully blend and smoothen the foundation.
Be so blind. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy.
Next I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in Fun. I'll be applying that in the under my eyes, close to the inner corner and also the outer corner. In this tutorial I'll be trying a couple of new makeup techniques that I've learned and that I've been doing of recent. So that includes this placement of concealer right in the inner corner as well as around the outer corners underneath my eyes, as you can see that I'm doing, and I'm just leaving the core center part bare. And for this look I also want to keep my under eye a little bit brighter than normal, so I'm applying just a little bit of the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. I'll be putting that also in the inner corner of my eye just to help brighten up that area. I'm also applying some of that same Makeup Revolution concealer along the bridge of my nose and on top of my lips, and then I applied some LA Girl Fawn underneath my cheekbones. I'm just blending everything out with a sponge.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
Next, I will be applying some highlighter along the high points of my face, on top of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, and in the corner of my eyes, right under my eyes. This is a new technique that I've just started doing, and I like the way it makes my face. It gives my face the inner glow from the inside without it being over the top. So I do this now instead of applying highlighter after powder. So it's foundation, concealer, and then highlighter, and I press it in with my fingers just so that it's not spread all over the place. It's more controlled, the placement. So yeah.
For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my.
After that, I'm going over the areas that I've applied concealer with my Glam Girl setting powder. I'm just applying this with a puff so that I don't get too much product. So I'm just applying this, and then I'm going to brush it off practically immediately because I don't want to bake. Beyonce's makeup is usually very, very kind of lightweight. It doesn't look too caked up, and I suspect that she doesn't really do a lot of baking. So yeah, I'm not baking. I'm just applying this and then brushing it off afterwards.
you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Because my time.
Now for the eyes, I'm applying this orange shadow from LA Pride in my crease, and I'm just blending it out very smoothly. This eyeshadow is not very pigmented, so it makes for a great transition shade. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm going in with this brown neutral nude type of brown eyeshadow. This palette is one palette that I got from the open market that served me so well. Like, it doesn't have a name or anything, but it's a really good eyeshadow. So if you have any bronze colored eyeshadow, just apply that with a fluffy eyeshadow brush all over your lid, like I'm doing here. Next, I'll be going in with this brighter colored eyeshadow in the same palette. Beyonce's eyeshadow is usually not too defined from what I see. It's just usually a light wash of gold or bronze in color. Then I'm going to line my eyes with this dark brown shade in my Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. So I'm just lining my eyes with that brown eyeshadow. So Beyonce is not very big on black or extra defined eyeliner. She does this really soft line of brown shadow along her waterline and her lashes and her lash line. So I'll be doing that with the same thing. Mine has more definition because that's how I prefer my eyes to be lined. So I'm just blending that dark brown with a lighter brown shadow in the same Makeup Revolution palette. So I'm just blending the shadow along my waterline, my lash line, I'm sorry. So I'm just blending that out on both eyes to give my eyes some definition, but it's still very soft and not too defined. Next, I'm applying some of that darker brown eyeshadow along my lower lash line. So I'm just doing that with the same little brush that I used on my top lash line. So I'm just blending that back and forth. After which, I'll go over it with a lighter brown eyeshadow to properly blend and smoothen it out.
It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
Next, I'll be applying my mascara, my Ferrucci mascara, and I'm using the small side that's supposed to give volume, and I'm just densely packing it onto the base of my lashes just to further line and accentuate the shape of my eyes, since I'm not wearing any black eyeliner. So I'm just applying the mascara all over, and then I've gone on with the bigger side brush just to give my lashes some more length. I'm also going to apply tons of mascara along my bottom lashes. Next is contour. So I'm using my sleek face kit in medium to contour my face. This is a very old product, and I don't know if you saw my last makeup organization video. I'm going to put a link up here. So I kept this product the last minute, and I'm happy I did because it's a very good contour product for me, at least. And I'm also going to lightly contour my nose using that same brush. So I find that using bigger, fluffier brushes on my nose gives me a less harsh or a less defined line along my nose contour, and I like that. Next, I'll be lining my lips. I'm using my Zaron Cosmetics lip pencil in Cappuccino as usual. This entire look is nude. In case you can't tell, it's just a nude brown bronze type of makeup, and I really like it, and that's what B wears most of the time, except for the occasional dark lip that she does. She's a brown nude soft glam girl any day, anytime, and I really love that. So I'm just lining my lips and blending it out with my lips, nothing too serious, and then I'm going over that with my Mini Beauty Ultra Gloss in G2. It's a nude brown metallic type of lip gloss, and I really love this shade. such a nice neutral nude, nothing too crazy, but I love how it looks on me and it suits my dress, my complexion, and the liner very beautifully, so I like that.
You out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Because my time.
That's more or less the face. I'm just going to brush over everything with my Iman Cosmetics second to none powder foundation, because it has, you know, the glow finish that I like. So I'm just going to go over my face with the powder.
Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
I'm just going to set under my brow bone, like my brow bone area, with some light shadow. I wasn't going to do that, but I think I need it, so I'm just going to go over my brow bone with my usual neutral shadows from my Makeup Revolution palette. So I'm just doing that with a small flat brush.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind?
Yeah, that's basically the face. I'm just going to take down my braids so that I can show you guys the full look. And yeah, this is it, guys. I really like this makeup. It's so soft, so brown, so bronze, so black girl friendly, and so flattering and easy to do. As you can see, nothing is too defined or too strong or too harsh, and I really like it. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment letting me know what you think, and if you're not subscribed, please do that before you go. Just hit that red button below, that red button you can see. Just hit that button and join my small growing family. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Can I take you there?